Hey and welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we will find out the best endpoint security for small businesses by comparing CrowdStrike and SentinelOne. If you're looking for the best endpoint security as a small business owner in 2025, then watch this video till the end and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss any future uploads. And let's get into this. CrowdStrike is a recognized entity in the cybersecurity space, specializing in enterprise risk management through the innovative application of technology. The company focuses primarily on protecting essential business risk areas such as endpoints, cloud workloads, identity, and data. Employing the state-of-the-art CrowdStrike Security Cloud and advanced AI technology, the firm provides effective solutions. Its CrowdStrike Falcon platform uses real-time indications of attack, threat intelligence, telemetry enhanced from diverse enterprise sources, and evolving adversary know-how for high-grade detection, automated protection and healing, advanced threat tracking, and efficient vulnerability visibility. The Falcon platform, designed in the cloud with a singular lightweight agent architecture, offers swift deployment, unique protection and performance, and reduced complexity. Therefore, CrowdStrike delivers a significant value proposition right from the beginning. SentinelOne provides autonomous security solutions for various IT environments. The company's main focus is on endpoint security, cloud security, and identity security. It operates on an AI-powered platform that brings prevention, detection, response, remediation, and forensics under one umbrella. The endpoint security product uses artificial intelligence to constantly adapt to new threats, offering real-time protection and automated response. The key principle of SentinelOne's security approach is to allow organizations to detect harmful behavior across multiple vectors, rapidly eliminate threats with an integrated response, and continuously adapt defenses against advanced cyber attacks. The company also provides a range of services such as threat hunting, incident response, and incident management. Through that basic one-on-one comparison, you can easily choose what suits you the best. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials like this.